love to share more makeup tips and tricks.
It's supposed to be blinding. Hey guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do a tutorial on Mobile Legends hero Esmeralda's makeup inspired look. So if you want to know how I recreate this look, please keep on watching, and I would really appreciate if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd love to share more makeup tips and tricks for you guys in the future. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, to prepare our face for this makeup, nagamit ako ng Nature Republic Aloe Vera Soothing Gel as a primer. Just gently pat it and massage it on your face gamit ang your fingers, and make sure your fingers are clean. So what this gel does is it moisturizes your skin para din maganda mag-set mamaya yung foundation pag in-apply. So after priming our face, let's move on to the foundation. And what I'd like to use is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Warm Nude 128. Put some under your eyes, nose, cheek, pretty much everywhere really. Next is I'm going to use a foundation brush to blend the foundation in. Dahil wala akong concealer, I'm using BB cream, which is in a lighter shade para lang ma-conceal yung dark circles under my eyes. So, what I use as a concealer na BB cream is this Tony Moly Luminous Goddess Aura BB cream. Mas lighter kasi siya sa Maybelline Fit Me, which is my real shade talaga. Yun tayo, girl. Practical. Kung wala tayong gawa tayong paraan. And this for tutorial, dahil we're making a makeup inspired look kay Esmeralda. Kasi si Esmeralda, mataas yung kilay niya. So, medyo i-cover natin yung real na kilay natin with foundation. Itataas natin yan. Itaasan ng kilay, girl. Ganon. Blending the concealer, I use a damp blending sponge and just blend it in. So next step will be the contour cream. What I like to use as a contour cream is the, medyo luma na siya, at gamit na Nichido Contour and Highlight Duo Stick. Puro lang sa Watson's guys. So ayan, let's take a brush. So let's take a blending sponge again to blend it all in. Next step is we're going to bake our face using the Nichido Final Powder in the shade Ivory Glow. So I'm going to use a wedge sponge to put the final powder under your contour, under your chin, also some on your forehead. But for the forehead, we're gonna buff it agad with the brush. Kasi we're going to do the eyebrows first. And we don't need to bake that, we just set it in place. So for the brows, we're going to use a medium or dark brown, since Esmeralda's brows look a little bit dark kasi dark din yung hair niya. So you can take any brown eyebrow pencil if you have one. I will use the other end of this pencil, which is spoolie, and then just blend it all. Don't worry if you get messy because we'll be using concealer afterwards to correct our mistakes. Also, we'll make our brows longer. After that, let's get our concealer brush again and dip it into your concealer or yung BB cream sa akin kasi hindi na ito concealer ngayon. So next, we move on to the eyeshadow part. I'm going to use this Nude Dude by The Balm. I'm going to use this shade Flawless as a base. Yung eye makeup ni Esmeralda, parang smoky eye siya. Smoky, may halo effect. So we're going to need a lot of browns and gold and just nude shades, neutral shades. So using a new eyeshadow brush, gagamitin natin is yung mini palette ng LOL. Ewan kung meron ko to, pero sobrang tagal na kasi itong palette ko na to. We're gonna take this, itong shade na, ito yung medyo gold. Tayo sa bandang lid. Don't worry sa fallouts kasi yun yung purpose nitong baking powder natin sa under her eyes. Using a smaller brush naman, we're going to use the darker shade para dito sa may corner. Itong shade. Then we'll use blending eyeshadow brush para i-blend natin yan, yung dark nilagay natin. Para smooth yung transition niya. Next is, I'm going to use this MAC Makeup Collection eyeshadow palette. Gamitin ko yung darker shade nila in black. Parang medyo shimmery na black. Para mas ma-intensify pala yung corners. Next is take natin yung kabuki brush and brush out na natin itong ginit natin. Using yung maliit na brush kanina, balik tayo dun sa LOL palette and gamitin ulit natin itong shimmery na golden shade kanina, sa taas. And lagyan natin yun sa may lower lash. Ito lang sa may corner. Doon naman tayo sa may dark shimmery shade. Leaving the middle part na light. Okay? Guys, may MAC in black shade. Balik ulit sa blending brush to smooth out the edges. Tapos balik ulit tayo sa low eyeshadow palette. Tapos ito medyo mas lighter color dito. Kuha naman tayo ng orange shade para pa dito. So, parang halo effect niya. Using this Maze eyeshadow palette, kuha natin ito. Orange. And then, blend natin dito sa pinaka taas sa may brow bone. After that, using the same brush, let's go back to the MAC palette. Let's pick this orange shadow. And then go back here. Next step is the eyeliner. We're gonna use this black waterproof eyeliner pen from FM. Lagayan natin yung winged eyeliner ni Esmeralda. Then I'm going to take a black eyeliner pencil for the lower lash line. I'm going to use a concealer brush again to clean all the messy edges. Next is I'm going to wipe powder here. Using a contour brush, I will use this Nichido contour palette for sculpting and contouring. This a shade right here. Next is the shade, the darker shade, and just sculpt this because Esmeralda has that V shape chin. I almost forgot the lashes. So first, let's do the lashes. And for the mascara, I'm going to use this Heavy Bilena Volume Curl Waterproof Mascara. After applying concealer on my lips, next step will be using lip liners to line the lips. Next is I will take a brown eyeliner and then draw the shadows here to make it look poutier. Also, I will extend the corner of my lips upward. So for the lips, I'm going to use this Says Lady Lasting Matte No Drying in the shade 19 because Esmeralda has orange lip color. It is the perfect shade for it. Next is I will take the concealer brush again and conceal a little bit outside the lips to make it look smaller. Next is I will take the brown eyeliner again and draw the line here. Next step is the blush. I'm going to use this shade in the MAC palette. Just underneath the orange tone. Also put something here on the nose. So for the highlight, I'm going to use this green highlighter palette. I bought this on Shopee. Using the fan brush, I will use this golden shade and this one, this rose gold and gold. I'll mix it together and put it here on the bridge of my nose and then here. It's supposed to be blinding. Making this Esmeralda makeup inspired look. Hope you enjoyed and I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you do, please leave your comments down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye!